policyholders dealing with Hurricane Irene, write this number down. 1-800-588-7400. That's 1-800-588...
Okay, I'm recording. Yes, just go. Well, you know, I want to go a little slow. Okay. Okay. Here, you gotta go wide. Turn. The one in front. And here is a big stump. That one can't be felled. Crews are coming down. Storm chasers.
You're the phone, man.
The backyards with a lot of water. That's on the north end of town. Right in the center of downtown, for instance.
Go ahead.
The traffic lights are working. A lot of the stores aren't open though. Panera is not open.
That's a big
Starbucks
tree.
isn't open. And Pizza isn't
Sure.
open. And you think they work. Even churches aren't.
Got a little branch down.
Got power still.
Oh. Home sweet home.